All right, YouTube, today we're gonna take this chair, chop up the metal, and we're gonna make a cone rack that's gonna get welded on the side of this trailer to hold these cones. I've got some of the materials already prepped and ready. I'm gonna go ahead and cut this material, get everything situated, and then from that point forward, get ready to get the welding going. I will show you the welding. Okay, so this is the piece that I fabricated, or put together, I should just say, welded them together, but I've made it from a chair, and it fits perfect for the cone to go right over and to mount on it. Now I'm gonna go ahead and weld it to the side of this. And just like that, we got ourselves a nice, solid rack for the cones.